Now this, not good news for the housing market. Existing home sales, the number down to a 3-year low. Come in, Matt Ishbia. He's the CEO and president of United Wholesale Mortgage. Matt is a mortgage guy. Okay, let's get that clear. So, tell me why the housing market is weak at the moment.
You know, I think it's just affordability. The market, the rates are going up. We've seen that, and we think that's going to continue to happen through the year. And housing values were really high all last year. We're seeing a softening right now, so I think the market's slowing down, and maybe it's a good time to buy. It's almost turning into a buyer's market, where the last year plus has maybe been a seller's market, in our opinion.
Isn't there another problem here, and that is student debt? I mean, it's a huge overhang for younger people, first-time buyers, millennials. That's a real problem, isn't it?
Absolutely. Student debt's a big problem. Millennials, that's the biggest reason a lot of millennials don't buy a home is because they don't understand the down payments and think that I have to bring, maybe 10, 20% when you can really get it for cheaper than that. Student loan debt, oh yeah, absolutely. The majority of mortgages our houses are being bought with 3, 5, or even 10% down right now. What everyone thinks 20 and 30% down. So with that plus student loan debt, they don't know that there's opportunity out there. So what they do is they stay on the fences, they stay off the side, continue to rent, and that's slowing the housing. So first-time home buyers has slowed with that in mind. I think student loan debt is a big part of it.
You would give a youngster a loan, give them a mortgage, if they only put down 3%.
Yeah, well, FHA has done 3.5% forever. VA for veterans is no money down.
So the secondary guys would buy the mortgage which you originated?
Absolutely. Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac.
Even if you only put 3% down?
Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac do 3% down mortgages all the time. It's a huge part of the market. Thinking 20% down is almost not the best choice for people to put 20% down. Having cash in your pocket, ability to handle different things that happen when you're a first-time home buyer is key. And so, but you have to find a mortgage expert that can educate you on it so you can figure out your options. People think 20% down, big bank. It's really 3, 5, 10% down. Talk to a local mortgage broker. You'll find the option that works best for your family.
Wait a second. If I only put 3% down, you're going to charge me a much higher rate than if I put 20% down.
That's what you would think. It's actually not the case. With mortgage insurance and on anything less than 20% down through Fannie and Freddie, you actually don't get a higher rate. You think maybe you're talking about, hundreds of dollars, maybe $1,000 different in fees, but I'm telling you, it's really not that big a deal. I recommend to my own brother who's buying a house, hey, put 5% down. Even though you have 20% down, put less down, keep the money in your pocket, invest it, have something set away for a rainy day. People just don't know that 5% down, 3% down, 10% down is becoming the norm, and it is a safe loan with the credit scores and the QM mortgages that are out there through Fannie and Freddie.
Can you make getting a mortgage easier? Because it's jumping through hoops of fire when you go to the bank with all the paperwork, plowing through the electronic stuff. It's murder.
Yeah, it's getting a lot easier.
It's not.
I really think you got to talk to an expert. People think I can do it myself. You can't do a mortgage yourself. It's once every 5. It's not like buying an airline ticket. Go to a local mortgage broker. Find someone that can be an expert, walk you through the process. Close loans 15, 20, 30 days max. It's happening all the time right now. You just got to find the right person instead of just go online and try to figure it out yourself or see some commercial and just go to that commercial.
Okay, we hear you, Matt Ishbia.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, no, you come on back because I'm interested in this. Thanks,
awesome.
Matt.
Thank you.